How to use the demo account in Pocket Broker. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to switch or use the demo account on the Pocket Broker account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Pocket Broker app on your device and make sure you're logged in or signed up. Once you're in, you land in the main homepage or the dashboard, from where you need to go to the top right section and simply tap on this little drop down kind of icon and you'll be able to see the pop-up where you need to select QT Demo. Soon after you do that, you will be able to switch to the demo account. You'll be provided with $50,000 or your preferred currency. This is the virtual money in your account. This is not the real cash, it is just for practice. Now, once you do that, you have switched to demo account. Now take a moment to look around, check the charts, see how the assets are listed, look at the buy or sell button from the bottom of the screen. Try switching the time frames or the currency pair from the top. This is your safe playground, so feel free to click and explore. Go ahead and select any asset you want to practice with. Go to the top of the screen and click on this drop down on the left. Choose the currency pair, and now once you're inside this chart page, decide if you think the price will go up or down. Enter a small amount from your demo account at the bottom and tap on buy or sell, and that's it. You've placed your first demo trade. After you've done that, you can observe the market moves, win or lose. It doesn't matter here. The goal is to learn and not earn. So right there you have successfully used the demo account on Pocket Broker. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.